So acute triangle, all angles are less than 90. So the next one is obtuse.
What?
I can't write.
I can't read either.
This thing isn't working. So if you have an obtuse, I always think of acute as a cute little angle, so it's got all angles less than 90. Obtuse has one angle, and it can only have one angle greater than 90 degrees, okay? And the last one, anybody? So it's called a right angle is one angle equal to 90 degrees or congruent to 90 degrees, okay? The last one for the angles is if all the angles in the triangle were equal to each other. And this is one you probably didn't cover before. It's called equiangular. All angles are congruent. And if all angles in a triangle are congruent, what do they measure? Perfect. So they each measure 60 degrees. So if you see a triangle that has all the angles marked the same, that means they all measure 60, and it is equiangular. I say equiangular, equiangular, I guess is how Americans say it. So if all of the sides of a triangle have different measurements, then it's called a scalene triangle, okay? So all sides are not equal or not congruent, okay? What if two sides are equal? So an isosceles triangle has exactly two sides congruent. The third one is equilateral. Lateral meaning sides has all sides congruent.